How to add page numbers in Google Docs. So as you can see here, the first page is basically a title page, and the rest of the pages are, well, just random text. So what you want to do is click on Format, then click on Page Numbers. This will open up an additional tab that you can drag around where you can edit the appearance of the page number. Here we have position. This indicates the position of the page number. So header means that the position of the page number is at the top, while footer means it's at the bottom. Now, most of the page numbers are at the bottom, so I'm gonna click footer. And here we have show on first page. Taking this option means including the first page, aka the title page. So as you can see, behind this we have the title page, or just the first page. So if you want to include the page number, you can tick this box. I don't want to include it, so I can tick that off right there. Numbering. This indicates from what number is the counting going to start. If you want it to start from 1, you actually have to put in 0. Here we have continue from previous section. Now, we don't have a previous section, but if we did, you can just tick that and we'll just start counting from the previous section. Here we can just type in 0 and click apply. Now, as you can see, here are the page numbers. We have 3, we have 2, we have 1, and as you can see, we have no page numbers on the first page, aka the title page, because we ticked that box off. Now, this looks pretty dull, right? You can double click it, have it be in bold, and you can change the font size, and whatever you want to do. From here you can add page 1. Now if you add page, it will automatically add page, the word page that I entered, next to every single page number. Now here we have 4 pages. You can add out of 4, and what that will do is just, here we have page 2 out of 4, page 3 out of 4, and page 4 out of 4. You can also select it and put it in the middle. You can basically do whatever you want with this. So yeah, that's how you add page numbers in Google Docs.